In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow folder in HubSpot. Keeping your workflows organized is essential as your automation grows. Folders let you group related workflows by campaign, lifecycle stage, region, whatever makes sense for your team, so you can find and manage them quickly. We'll walk through the exact clicks to create a folder, along with a few quick tips to keep everything tidy. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot into the search bar and press Enter. Click the official HubSpot website, then sign into your account. If you have access to multiple portals, make sure you choose the correct one for the workflows you plan to organize. If a colleague set up your portal, confirm you have permission to view and edit workflows. Without the right permissions, some options may be hidden. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Hover your mouse there to expand the main navigation and locate the section labeled Automation. This is where HubSpot keeps tools related to sequences, workflows, and other automated processes. Click Workflows to open the Workflows dashboard. Give the page a moment to load. You should see your existing workflows listed, along with filters and other controls to help you manage them. At the top right of the workflow screen, select Folders. This switches you to the Folders view, where you can see your current folder structure, search for folders, and manage them in one place. It's a helpful overview when you're setting up a consistent system. Next, click Create Folder. A panel or small window will appear, prompting you to add details. You only need to provide a name, but this is where a little planning goes a long way. Enter a clear, descriptive folder name that your whole team will understand at a glance. Consider a simple convention like Team, Purpose, Timeframe, for example, Marketing, Nurture, Q2 2026. Keep names consistent so future you and your teammates can immediately tell what belongs inside. After you've entered the folder name, click Create to save it. You should see the new folder appear instantly in your folders list. If the Create button is disabled, double-check that you've typed a name without restricted characters. If you don't see the new folder right away, try refreshing the page or confirming you're in the correct account. That's it. Your folder is ready. From here, you can keep working in the Folders view and continue organizing as your automation library grows. A little structure now will save you a lot of time later.